Today I'm going to show you how to quickly make some really delicious Nutella-filled milk chocolates. I'm going to grab my nice milk chocolate and I'm going to start filling up these cavities. And I want to go a little bit less than halfway up. So that's our first step. Once they're all filled, just take your spoon and just push them down so that you can really see how much you've put in there. I don't want to go halfway up, just a little bit less than halfway. But I do want to have enough in there because I don't want my Nutella to be popping through the top of the chocolate. So I'd say that's good. Like that. Put it onto a little board. Just tap it. And then I'm just going to get the piping tip right in the middle and I'm going to give a little bit of a squeeze. And as I do that, you can see the chocolate now is starting to go around the Nutella. So get in there, give a little push, just like that. Okay, I've just zoomed in just to show you a little better. So get your nozzle right in there and then just give a little bit of a push. And as you press, you can see the Nutella is really displacing that chocolate. It's pushing it up and around the actual Nutella. And do not push your tip right to the bottom because what'll happen is you'll have Nutella coming out of the top of your chocolate and you don't want that. So right in the middle, give a nice little squeeze. But don't bring it all the way to the top because we're going to pour some more chocolate on the top here. And there we go. That looks good. And then let's give this a little bit of a tap. So I've just zoomed out a little bit so you can see a little better. And just grab a little bit more chocolate and right onto the top. Okay, that looks good. And then again, tap. Okay, and that looks good. So now I'm going to pop this into the fridge. I'm going to leave this probably at least a half an hour. I want these to really set up well. Okay, so our chocolates have really chilled down now, and I'm just going to turn them over. And then what you want to do is just take one of your fingers, I'm going to use my thumb, and you just push and turn. So you just basically just push them out, kind of turn them out. And look at that, really nice. So I'll get all these out and I'll come back in a second. Alright, I've zoomed in a little bit just to show you how nice these look. And you can see on the bottom, a nice job as well. Nice and flat. Really good. A nice job. So let's just cut into this. And there we have it. Let me get these a little closer. And let's zoom in. So we've got the nice bottom layer of chocolate right here. And then you've got the top layer here. And then our Nutella filling on the inside. If I tilt this up, hopefully you can see that. Really lovely. And that's how easy it is to make Nutella-filled milk chocolates. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.